Hi, everybody. This is Brian Koprowski, your HEA 110 instructor. I hope everybody is having a relaxing and enjoyable Labor Day weekend. Just wanted to go over some items with you and just talk about the up and coming assignments that are due in the course. First thing, I wanted to let everybody know that the Chapter 1 assignments are all graded. Um, on some of the questions and based on your responses, I provided some comments. Please read those comments, and if I have any suggestions, please note them and apply them to this next week's assignments that will be due. Please look at your grammar and your punctuation, as well as if you're not if the sentences are hard for me to read, I'll have to take off points, and I don't want to see that happen to you. So just pay close attention to that. This up and coming week, we are going to be exploring Chapter 3, which looks at our psychological health. This is a great chapter to explore, and it could really provide you with a lot of insight into our own thought processes and why we make the decisions that we do. In addition to that, just a reminder that tonight, Chapter 2 stress assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Take care and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.